will see the bright side of this.
Nice.
That's deep. How about you?
Use those superpowers. I don't care what. Yes, you do.
I don't believe that.
What'd you do a couple weeks ago?
Spray paint. Oh.
Spray paint? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Everybody sharing, just so you
Everybody gonna share, so everybody wanna jump
It's all a
on.
matter of time.
Buy something for everybody else some time.
I would say my superpower. I'm a communication person, but I like to make people laugh. So if I don't want to do, I don't care about
Ooh, all right.
I love it. I love it.
I feel like my superpower is storytelling. So always sharing people's stories, trying to get different perspectives, understand people where they're coming from.
Nice.
Very powerful. So necessary right now. Now you're gonna have to keep it short. I know you got a long list.
I think mine would be being relatable. I feel like I can fit in and relate to people no matter their situation. And being able to do that, I feel like you give courage to people, give inspiration to people, being empathetic to people, knowing where they're coming from, to help them get where, we can all be there together.
My superpower will probably be super speed. I like to get stuff done really fast. Everybody else get stuff done really fast.
I'm gonna come back. What's your superpower?
For metabolism.
Super metabolism.
Hey, all right.
That
Nice.
word means. What is it? You're super fast?
Explain what your power does. What does it do?
I can eat a lot without getting fat.
All right.
And then one more time.
I can eat a lot without getting fat.
Everybody here like you can eat a lot without getting fat. See how long that superpower lasts. I need that. What's your superpower?
My superpower would probably be super athleticism.
Okay. You can't hold the camera and not answer the question.
What? Oh man.
Yeah, I gotta put you on the spot.
I'm doing my power right now. I'm doing my power right now. Yeah. Nah, my I can't even. Nah, my superpower is just like transmitting energy. I think I do that really, really well. Like I'm able to interact with people either from a distance or from real close. You know what I'm saying? Like John's feeding off my energy right now. You're feeding off my energy. You're feeding off my energy. These people on the camera are feeding off my energy. So I think that's what I do the most.
Okay.
Yo. Yeah, Toya, what up, Toya? Yeah.
Keeping us safe. What's your superpower?
My superpower is accepting, understanding, and compassion.
Okay.
I love getting to know people so I can push their positive and encourage them that being them is who they are, and it is great. So that's my superpower.
Hey.
Yeah.
Woo.
Okay.
I feel like I was just, him and her, they had a story of mine, but mine is like kind of my superpower is positive energy, because like I like to, when I meet certain people, they'll be like, oh my gosh, I just love your energy, I love talking to you, and everything inside is like happy and positive, so kind of like changing the atmosphere of how things were before.
Nice. I like that.
All right, we got a little superhero power team here. Who wants to start me off?
Okay, Monica, here you go. My superpower is I'm a super mom. I can be in many places at one time.
Woo!
Figure out what you
Super
need
mom.
and make it happen. Right? Super mom.
Are you gonna go? You have her. I just want to say a disclaimer. This is only one of her superpowers. She's being real modest.
Got a couple alter egos.
Yeah, she do.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's
This superhero.
yes, that's the superpower that you got that time. All right, come on, pass it on.
My superpower would be having claws and being strong.
Hey, okay.
Yeah, okay, we got Black Wolverine.
Mine will be like my strength.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So I think my superpower is emitting joy and also empathy.
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
My superpower basically is to try to empower people, to take the victim out of them and to bring the survivor. Definitely one of my biggest ones is visualizing and making it come true.
And being a dad.
And being a good father.
Yeah.
You gotta, what's your superpower? Incognito. Incognito, that's my superpower. Incognito. All right, I'm gonna say DQ's superpower for him. All right, DQ is a master organizer and group text creator. He can create group text like with a thought. And then those group texts turn into reality.
That's it.
Oh yeah. We got a long list too. What about Mr. M, D-Real McCoy, Devon?
Mr. M's superpower is leadership through love.
Okay.
So empathy, patience, passion. I believe that true and lasting change comes through love. So leadership through love.
Nice.
That's powerful. You had a minute now, let it marinate. I mean, no braids is superpower.
My superpower would be Mr. Funnies.
Mr. Funnies? All right.
Woo! Yeah, we got a couple in the chat we can shout out. So we'll find one in the chat. I want everybody to think about one. A lot of people here have really relational superpowers, right? A lot of people talked about relating to people, understanding people, being able to build networks together. Thinking about what if we just right now combine all the superpowers we have in this room to try to accomplish one goal, and how powerful that could be. So it's not just about being superheroes, but also comics are all about superhero teams. And we are, and especially in this moment, with this election coming up, all the things that are going on, we're gonna have to start to come together, bring our superpowers together, and it starts with being vulnerable about them, which is always not easy. It's not easy to say, yeah, I'm really good at this. Yeah, I know how to do this. Yeah, this is who I am, especially in a room full of people that you don't know. But now all of us know a little bit more about each other.
Greg's power is all creation to purpose. Oh, this is Trevor. My man Trevor, thank you. Thank you for joining. Teresa, community is our superpower, so we all have the superpower together when we're working together. So let's big ups, let's give some hand claps in the King Urban Life Center for the people on Zoom. We see y'all, we hear y'all. And then I'm gonna turn it back over to Gio so they can close it out.
Word, thank you everybody. So just as John said, and just to iterate a little bit more, like we have so much power, and we need to make sure that we use those powers collectively, because otherwise we're going to be divided and our people are going to continue suffering. And we can't have that anymore. 2020 has taught us that we need to come together. Even just this table right now is not fully assembled, but the superpowers that was at this table alone make a whole tribe. Even thinking about like all of us coming together, what kind of tribe are we making, and how does that relate to Wakanda and the actual like making of Wakanda reality? Every time I come into a call or anything for work, be like, oh, what's your sacred place? I say Wakanda because I truly believe that we can create Wakanda. We can go back to Wakanda and create even a better one as long as we stick together and we are vulnerable and building this relationship with each other, because there's no reason that we should be divided. Even the fact that we're all here today on a Saturday in the middle of COVID means that we're thriving and we're yearning for that connection with each other. And so we need to make sure that we're taking care of each other, because that's what Wakanda is about. Taking care of each other and making sure that we're good, because legit, we are nature defending herself. Like, and we have always been defending ourselves, but we have to get to a point where we're thriving, not just trying to survive. And with all the superpowers here and in the world with our black and brown people, we got this. Like, ain't nobody stopping us. They want us to believe that we don't have power so that we can stay down. But the reality is, if we all come together, we're unstoppable. So I just want to close it out on that note. I also want us to stand up, because we're going to practice feeling like our superpowers and feeling like our superheroes.
Yeah.
Like, let's say you in your room, you wake up and you're like, man, I just gotta get up, I just gotta feel good, I gotta make myself feel good. What's that goal? Or even if you're not used to doing this, what do you do to feel, to like be in your body, especially for the next session, that we are gonna be in our bodies. Do a pose that makes you feel like you're a badass, you a superhero, and you are indestructible. So I wanna see everybody's superhero pose right now. What's happening?
Charging up. Yeah, some movement. Yeah, I like it. Like it.
Come on, everybody. Right. Alright, we're gonna give this one more try. I need you to really feel like there is so much, like your blood is power, and your blood is
Like the mannequin challenge.
Let's see on Zoom. What we got on Zoom? Okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Where? That's just one exercise. I know y'all are looking at me like, what the heck is going on? They do. Listen, the folks on Zoom is taking this more serious than some of y'all here. So the next part of this before we close out, really wanting to challenge each other. So if we can form a circle. I know there's some tables, but form a circle with each other. So everybody get information. We've heard Beyonce say it a couple times. Go on, get in the circle.
Cipher up.
There can be no space between us. So we gotta make it tighter. Come on. Alright. Oh, I see you. You're right. Thank you. Maybe some space between us because the Rona. Okay. Yes. You got mask on. But just look around you. If we was to form a shield, even just for the people in this room and with people on Zoom, we are a barricade. We are a shield to our own people. It means that we have to protect each other at all costs because other people are not going to do it for us. And we are the superheroes. We are the ones that are creating the Wakanda in real life. So as we're in formation right now, I'm going to say Wakanda and y'all going to say forever. And let's see how good information we can get. I need those arms up. So, Wakanda. I heard some of y'all more than others. Let's see if we got the shield real good. Wakanda.